Question 6. Return to the original plots by clicking the up arrow. Okay. Click on the points in the plot representing the 3 largest heights. Grab one point and move it. Okay, let's give that a try. So it says grab 3 points, represent the tallest height. So I'm going to hold down my shift key. Oops. Got one, got my second, got my third. Okay. And again, I held the shift key down the whole time I was doing that. It said grab one point and move it. All right. And describe what happens in the 2 plots and then deselect the point. So we're going to move them. Describe moving this one, but what actually moves when I move just that one point? So notice when I grab the center one and move it, or if I grab the one on the left and move it, or the one on the far right and move it, what happens in both groups? That's one of your questions that you need to answer. And then the next question, that says to deselect the points. So I'll go ahead and deselect those just by clicking them. And notice they go back to regular blue and they're no longer visible on the box plot. Then on part B it says in the box plot, click on the whisker between the 3rd quartile and the maximum value. So I'm going to come up here to the box and whisker plot. I'm just going to click on the line. Okay, let's see what it asks us to do with that information. It says move one of the points in the section of the plot and describe what happens in the 2 plots. So notice when I click on the whisker, all of the points that correspond to that area from the 3rd quartile to the maximum light up. So that includes all of these points here. Notice it looks like this one here, they are very similar numbers, 67.81, 67.9, and it's almost just represented here just by the 67.9, and I suppose this one is underneath it. Okay, so let's go back to the question. I lost my train of thought. I describe what happens in the 2 plots. Okay, so I've clicked the whisker, and I am moving one of the points. So let's say I'll take this one here, and notice that when I move one, what happens to the points? It looks like they all move, and as I move to the right, it looks like, notice the quartile gets spread out